Hello guys, and welcome you back to the YouTube channel once again. So in today's video we'll be talking about how you can start a faceless YouTube channel. A lot of people will be asking what is faceless YouTube channel. Faceless YouTube channel, a channel that you don't need to sit under a camera or something. Like, it's a great way to share contact without showing your face on camera or showing your real identification. All right, so many creators use this approach across various niche like tech, finance, storytelling, education, and entertainment to do it. So I will be giving you step by step the niche that I record and also how you can apply this from A to Z. So wait, I've made a list right here that I will be giving to you. So the first step to choose is what? To choose a niche. Now a lot of you will still be asking what is a niche. I'm talking about niche in terms of social media platforms or the kind of content that you are going to be putting on there. I have a list up to 10 over here which I will share with you, or I have a niche here up to 10 that I would like to share with you. All right, the first one is storytelling, or what? True crime or history. Yes, you might learn to share a history or story about different place, or you can create your own unique story, or what? A life or true life story and share with your audience. Right, number two is gaming. And with the gaming, you don't normally use to show your face, you just screen record what you are doing on the screen. I know you guys do play games every day, you just record them and upload on any social media, and people get engaged with that. Moving on into tutorial or how, like the particular video I'm doing here is how to start a YouTube or a faceless YouTube channel. So it's how video, talking about how to do this. How, if I bought this microphone, it wasn't fixed like this, I have to fix it myself. So I went to YouTube and search video on how to fix it, and I got it. So video like this, you don't show your face, you only show your hand doing it. So those are faceless content. The number 4 on the list is facts. Maybe you can do 10 facts about Voltarian, 10 facts about Ghanaian, 10 facts about Nigerian, 10 facts about 2 facts, you understand those ones. So the next one is called finance, investing, or side hustle. You can be recording screen. Maybe I'm investing in this stock. You record it and you share how you do it. I'm trying to create what? I'm trying to create something. I'll record the screen and share. Those are what? Side hustles. And moving on, we have productivity and self-improvement. Productivity and self-improvement. Those ones, maybe I'm going to a gym and I just show what happened at the gym. Maybe it's 1,000 faces, they don't know who is actually behind the video. Those things are self-improvement things. We have AI tech explain. Maybe AI is one of the best. Now if you learn AI, you must be at the top of the town, because AI is now doing everything. So learning AI, you don't need to show your face. You can use AI to create avatar videos of yourself and all of that. You don't need to show your face, but rather using the AI to create a replica of yourself showing right there, since you cannot stand the pressure of facing a camera to record yourself. Moving on, we have motivational quote. This one is the most easiest one with a lot of niches. If you go to YouTube, and you will see a lot of motivational quotes that you don't normally know who is behind them. And I tell you, at the end of this video, I'll be showing you proof of one of my faceless YouTube channel and how much I've made on that particular channel. Okay, moving on to this one, we have medication or white noise. Now you see this medication, if you go to YouTube right now and you search medication, you will have about tons of YouTube channel which is no voice, maybe just something like wind blowing, rain falling. Those things help people who normally maybe you are back from work and you are tired, you want to sleep. For example, for example, if I use myself, for me to sleep very fast, I have to be playing music or listening to some kind of preaching, something that will just, I will go deep into it. Okay, yeah. So that is for me. So people listening to this medication, and also the white noise normally mean the rain falling, air blowing. People normally go for massage. When they are massaging, you will receive those noise. So that is, so I've given you top 10 niches that you can go with the Faceless YouTube channel. So in my next video, what I will be doing is what, how to plan your content. So that will be plan 2. I have up to plan 7. So if you're watching this video today, make sure to subscribe and share with your friend. Right now, this is my screen, and I'll be showing you what I've actually made from here. Okay, what I've made from here. All right, so I will bring the camera closer and capture what exactly I've made in total right here in just what, 28 days. In just 28 days. You don't need computers like me to do it. I started with my mobile phone, and today I was able to afford all these gadgets through the same methods. Okay. Alright, so as you can see on my screen right here, I've made a total of $2,447.75, meaning I've made a total of $2,000 with this Faceless YouTube channel. And in YouTube, there is something we call CPM. The CPM means cost per mile. I mean, how much YouTube is actually going to pay you, how much YouTube is actually going to pay you for what? For if you get 1,000 views. All right, so now on the screen right here, if I scroll down, you will see something here, 9.43 cents, which means that YouTube pay me per every 1,000 views. YouTube pay me what, $9, almost $10 for every 1,000 views. So this is just a YouTube channel that I don't normally show my face on it. I don't show my face right there. So if you are a creator and you want to go into niches, these are the top 5 niches that you can go and you prosper and make a lot of money. Forgetting this is just a YouTube. What if you share the same content of Facebook, Instagram, and any other monetized social media platform? They all paid, but I prefer YouTube because it has belonged. That's what I started mine with. So stick with me. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to plan your content, how you can get the free tools that you can use to start the Faceless YouTube channel. So subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you all in my next video.